Find or read reviews that people are talking about CADPXS 550CFM air scrubbers with 3-stage filtration system and MEVR-10 filter, commercial air scrubber for damage restoration. Stackable negative machine with daisy chain GFCI Duplex, gray. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose CADPXS 550CFM air scrubbers with 3-stage filtration system and MEVR-10 filter. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Whole home air scrubber, S550 air purifiers remove harmful airborne particles including smoke, pet dander, pollen, sawdust, and other miscellaneous debris. Commercial heavy-duty use, the pre-filter, MEVR-10, protects the prime HEPA filter acting as a large particle cleaner allowing the HEPA filter to do the finer work. Ideal for home repair and construction sites, sewage remediation, water and fire damage restoration. Active carbon filter, the carbon filter eliminates odors from paint, smoke, pets, cleaning products, cooking and more. This air scrubber with an active carbon filter is perfect for a salon or print shop for removing unwanted fumes. Precision, HEPA filters are standardized to remove 97% of particles that have a size greater than or equal to 0.3 micrometers. Suitable for purifying the bad air from in a hospital room or children's bedrooms. Using on dusty construction sites, mainly interior renovation and demolition. CADPXS Shield 550 versatile and negative air scrubbers. The air scrubber's housing is made of high-quality PPT materials that are not easy to break and can be used for a long time. The portability of it and power make this product a great choice to use in the construction world. Ideal for anywhere air quality is a concern, crawl spaces and attics, home repairs, remodels, painting, sewage, pungent smell remediation, fire damage restoration, water damage restoration, and so on. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.